Welcome to this Manifesting Abundance meditation. Get settled in. Close your eyes. Sit with purpose, because we live on purpose. Begin to become aware of your breath. We're going to start with a breathing exercise where we breathe in through your nose for 4 counts and out through your nose for 4 counts. Let's begin through the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. And inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue this cycle a few more times. Feeling grateful for each breath. Feeling relaxed and feeling present. The first step in manifesting your desires is being grateful for everything you already have. What are you grateful for? Are you grateful for your home, your health, your career, the clothes you're wearing? What are you grateful for? Who are you grateful for? Feeling that gratitude for all the things in your life. Gratitude for your awareness to be here right now. The next step in manifesting your desires is getting in alignment with a higher vibration, so your frequency is in line with an abundance mindset. Become aware of the thoughts you think as they show up as your life. Encourage thoughts of joy, love, gratitude, creativity, optimism, enthusiasm, happiness, passion, hopefulness, appreciation, empowerment. If your thoughts take you down to a lower frequency, which will happen in day-to-day life, become aware and realign yourself to come back up and make a higher choice. Do your best to keep bringing yourself back to that higher state. If you find yourself in a lower state, bring yourself back to gratitude. What can you be grateful for? and bring yourself back to that hopefulness, and then back into the joy and the creativity, the abundance, the passion, the appreciation, empowerment. Bring yourself back up to this vibration whenever you can. Now I want you to ask yourself, what are you dreaming of manifesting? What do you want to manifest? The key now is to feel the feelings of already having it. What does it feel like to have this now? Before we see it, we must believe it. That's right. Before we see it, we must believe it. We must become it. You deserve this. Feel the feelings of deserving this. You have the courage to pursue it. Feel the courage. If you desire love, feel love now. If you desire wealth, feel wealth now. If you desire happiness, feel happy now. Whatever you desire, feel the feelings of manifesting your desires. You are in alignment. You're in a high vibrational state. It is coming to you now. You are fully supported. Release the how this will happen and fully trust in the universal laws. Have the courage to take action day by day and hold this vision for yourself. Keep coming back to it and keep bringing yourself back into the higher vibration. Have the courage to believe and stay committed. It is happening now. Live life in joy, appreciation, gratitude, enthusiasm, hopefulness, freedom, love. You are abundant.